Tableau and Power BI are two of the most popular data visualization tools used in the industry today. In this video, we'll be comparing Tableau and Power BI and discussing their strengths and weaknesses so that you can choose which one is best for you. Let's start with Tableau. Tableau is a data visualization tool that allows you to create interactive visualizations. It's known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface. With Tableau, you can easily connect to multiple data sources and blend them together to create a holistic view of your data. Tableau's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create graphs, maps, and other visualizations without any coding knowledge. One of the strengths of Tableau is its ability to handle large volumes of data. Tableau's powerful in-memory data engine allows for fast data analysis and visualization, even with massive data sets. It also doesn't limit the number of data points, nor does it enforce row or size limitations. Now, let's take a look at Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics service that provides interactive visualizations and BI capabilities. With a simple interface, it enables end users to create their own reports and dashboards. Power BI is integrated with Microsoft's other products, such as Excel and Azure, making it a great choice for organizations already using these tools. One of the strengths of Power BI is its ability to quickly generate reports and dashboards using natural language queries. This feature, known as Q&A, allows users to ask questions about their data in plain English and receive a visual answer. Power BI also has a strong community and a large number of online resources available for users to learn from. Another important difference between Tableau and Power BI is that Tableau runs on Windows and Mac PCs, whereas Power BI doesn't support a native Mac version by the making of this video. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your specific needs and requirements. If you need a tool that can handle large amounts of data and create interactive visualizations, Tableau might be the better choice for you. It is faster and provides extensive visualizations for large datasets with no row limitations. If you're already using Microsoft products and need a tool that can quickly generate reports and dashboards, Power BI might be the better choice. Power BI is also cost-efficient compared to Tableau. Ultimately, both Tableau and Power BI are great tools that can help you gain insights from your data. The choice between the two comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Before you leave, here's something useful for you. Are you spending hours taking your Oracle data to Power BI Tableau? Struggling with Excel reports and SQL queries that take hours to finish? BI Connector is a one-of-its-kind solution for all your Oracle data. We help you connect Power BI and Tableau to OBIEE, OTBI, OAC, OAS, and Oracle Fusion Analytics data in just a few minutes. We offer a free download and a 30-day free trial of BI Connector. Interested to know more? Check out the link given in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.